Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie. And yeah, let's see what this market has to offer today. Market really went down a lot on the SPY in general, Nasdaq. Everything kind of went down on the tariff for Canada. So currently we have a 35% tariff on Canada from Donald Trump. So we can
In the
see
letter.
in the letter, yeah.
So we'll see what happens after, but
yeah, so market didn't like that, so came down a bit. Let's see what it ends now. So we have Nvidia also trying to hold whatever is holding there, but still like fighting with the 63, 62.50 probably. So we're gonna keep an eye on the 62.50 because that was the point where it was being bought yesterday. So let's see. Yeah. So Mary, how are you doing today?
I am doing well.
Nice.
Oh, guess what day it is?
Friday.
See.
Yeah, let's see. Friday.
How are you doing, David?
Very good, very good. Nice Friday, as you say. So let's see how we do. What opportunities this market offer. So definitely gonna be watching some of them. I am less interested today on Nvidia and PLTR, but like still gonna keep an eye on it because
Okay.
if Nvidia decide to claim that 200 moving average in the 5 minute, it's gonna be interesting probably. But we are not doing that right now, so this way.
Thank you.
Nice.
Oof.
So,
Scusez?
so
Oof.
So yeah, that's it from what I can see. So let's see if I have any news. Um,
I want to check SPY a little bit. 62130.
Yeah, I can go with you there just to have an idea if
Yeah.
it's gonna keep going down or not. And
Well, I think there will be. So right now we've got the largest in the amounts that are there, which is a 65 lot, but it's stacked between 61 and 621 and 62160. It's 62130. So I've put that there because that could be a level of support at 62130. So that would be a little bit still of a pullback. When we're looking to the offer, that's a little bit leaner, but not that much. And when we're looking at the two larger numbers, we are looking at 62370 and 624 even. So that's not even. Okay. $62370. Okay, I'll leave that there because I want that. So 62370 and the other one is an even 624. I'm sure that as we're going to, when we're going to open, we will be more populated. But there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of woof on
Yeah.
the tape today for the upside.
I have an order to get some shares on NVDA,
Okay.
but that's a little. It's just let's see if it ever does that. And because if Nvidia rally up,
Mm-hmm.
there is no catching game on there. Like if that goes up, it's gonna go without everybody. So the amount of shares I put on is a small amount, just for me to see if it works or not. And,
Quite a spike right there.
mm-hmm.
Well, the biggest one that I see, that's close anyways. That would affect the price right now. It's 163. So that seems.
That's the price I'm offering.
Yeah,
Very.
I love it. So that's a no, no, no. Yeah, 163, 700, good one. So,
Yeah, it's probably it's gonna go with Amanda. I'm okay with that. Okay, that's,
are you?
yeah.
What's our cat doing there?
1880 for Mara.
Could be interesting. I could be interested at $8 for our cat.
Very choppy action there pre-market, but and even yesterday was
Yeah.
chop chop.
Okay, so I place an order. We'll see what happens there for our cat. Huh. SoFi still really good volume. What I don't see is super big number. No, I'm talking 30 cents, so no, not interested. 30 cents on either side, so no SoFi today. Look at good.
That trade can work.
Yep, Robin Hood at 97.
I was looking at the 94 and the 95.
Yeah, 94, 95. That could be a good as well. That's a $2 pull down, so you could ride the dragon on that one.
Let's see NVDA. BDA is gone without me, but that's okay.
Let's have fun.
Nice. Heavy setter at 64, but that's not gonna do much, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna get. He got smoked right there. So. Oh, it's true. I have the. Yeah, as I say, Nvidia went without me, and like I don't think it's gonna return back in there right now. But let's see. We'll never know. Um,
I took a little bite on CLSK. We'll see how
mhm.
that goes.
Wasn't Mara having better volume than that?
Yep, a little bit, not by much, but yeah.
Chasing Nvidia a bit, but still, like I cannot get feel so it's hijo de tu mamá. I flipped my size on Nvidia.
Okay.
Yeah, the volume is not that fantastic, so. Oof.
Wow, eh?
Yeah, it's little size is okay, so. Did you sell the size at 65
On which one?
on Nvidia?
No.
I didn't get in with it. I just got in at. I got in with the front runner. So,
Okay.
and I gonna be ooh la la. I want to be out of this trade. Just like I think I might be able to get out of break even. Let's see. No, no, no. This thing is just pumping up. As I say, it's a little amount of shares. It's just wanna see if we come back to the meaning. There we go. That's what I mean by breaking even. Now I want to be out there, or I can make peace with it and just hold it, but because it's a little amount of shares. But that's how is the technicality of that trade? It's wrong, right? So because it's wrong, it's better to be out. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna drop off the order to be out without any loss. If he get me
Okay.
there, I'm gonna be happy. So even if he works the trade, it's just not correct. So I have my order to be out without any losses,
Okay.
but without any profit as well. Just I will take whichever comes first. Big buyer right on top of the price, so There we go. That's why I say that's wrong, but yeah. So we got out. That's a long.
It is, eh?
Oh yeah, like
Very
no,
strong.
Yeah, like,
But it's not aligned with SPY at all.
yeah, but like today it's like yesterday. The indexes were bleeding yesterday, um, and today is the like yeah. The SPY was pumping up yesterday, and the equities were doing the opposite, and
Okay.
today they are backward. Let's get some Nvidia right there. There we go. So I have a little trade on Nvidia and
Okay. Short?
long, no,
Long.
like because that's what I like. When I have the short, that's what I say. Like it's a wrong trade. I just wanted to get out of break even. But now I went from previous station to probably above next station. So let's see if that is correct. And I'm gonna load up a bit more there. So little by little. Tight stop loss here. If that doesn't work, yeah, that doesn't work. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now I load it up again, and there we go. Now that's printing. That is printing beautiful. I am breaking even on that trade. I know how wrong it is when it's wrong, but as I say, good trades doesn't come back. Good entry doesn't come back. The other was not that important entry, but this one is that important entry. And there we go. We are just flying. So come on, Nvidia, you can do better than that. Get those guys a little bit of smoke.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Nice, nice.
Load it, load it, load it, load it, load it. I have an order to add to the whatever I remove.
Okay.
I have an order to add it right away. And very clear price action here. And let's see if we're gonna get that or not. So probably I won't get filled because I am within and like
Okay.
as I say, if the price action was correct,
Mm-hmm.
this thing is gonna keep pumping up a little bit higher, and like we're gonna go to 70 today. I don't think so, but we never know. I see a lot of sizes at 166, but that 166 will be golden for me if ever we get there. Right now, I am totally flat. Like the little trades I was trying, they were all paid out with the last one, with
Good
the
job.
last partial there. Just one partial erased everything. That's why I like it's easy. If it there we go, we got that. If it doesn't hold, I wanna be out at break even, and there we go. It's gonna get me out break even. I'm out. Now we're gonna reoffer about the same price that we were offering before, and we're gonna like what is happening right now is that the buyer at 180 is not as strong apparently. So 164.80, sorry. So but then we claim back the level, and to give it one more shot at the same price. Now it's probably gonna hold, but it doesn't offer it anymore for sure. Yeah, it's okay. Going without me. That's why breaking even sometimes is not the right thing to do. But at least I pay back everything. So
Hey, good job.
$166 is the next target. Very nice, Emilia, very nice. I have an offer at 166.98. I'm gonna play that trade a little bit like a cat. So, what are you trading with?
I'm trading
RC cat.
SoFi and RCAT.
Nice.
Right now, oh, I've got the little frog in my throat.
No. Oui.
What a lack of discipline. So my lack of discipline, I had an order at 8
Which
on
one?
RCAT. Okay, so my
Mhm.
order was at $8. It went kaboom without me.
Mm-hmm.
I went in on a pullback as a FOMO move. And I'm watching what it's going to do at 8. A surprise, surprise. I should have. What a lack of discipline. FOMO, full FOMO.
You don't have higher time frame for those charts?
Oh yeah, they're here. but the tape was saying 8, and there it goes at 8. What if I would have waited? The what ifs. What if?
Yeah, it's funny. Equities are doing the opposite, exactly the opposite yesterday, exactly the opposite today.
Okay, so seems like when we're looking at SPY,
Yeah, SPY is going down.
not crazy.
Yeah, like I have the order that you mark here at 162.30. There was 64, and like we haven't even touched it.
No. Right?
And BDA, man, like the holding that 150 like the best. But I am going the other way with the BDA. It's a little bit counter, but I want to see if it really have the juice to get there. And it does have the, like, I mean, like this thing is just crazy. Like, I mean, there we go. There we go. And there we go. I got in and probably out immediately. Let's see. No, out immediately. Okay, stall. Holding above, holding. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. No, this is, man, it's this. Yeah, it is as dangerous as previously. So, let's see if I am able to survive. Okay, I'm out, and that's I knew. Like, I mean, it's it's okay, there we go. The 50 is the next target, and what we're gonna do there? Okay, went through. That's a little shares amount that I have there. It just okay. Now we are talking. That's the test. That no. Okay.
SPY's punching.
Somebody's buying this at any price. Man, like And I got checked out at the long, like I mean, but it was a good long. I still profit from that a little bit. It's just I think that was the last station that was as heavy, but it just keep trying to go higher and higher. So the equities are really pumping up, and we have NVDA there. We have PLTR as high pretty much. I don't know if he decide to pull back at some point or what, but like let's say PLTR. So I say that trade I have there is very, very, very low risk, and let's see, let's see what I want to do. PLTR, yeah, PLTR is like if I want to go short, PLTR is a better candidate. That's a for sure. Though NVDA still may have more to go, but like there is nothing wrong with a decent pullback from where we are right now on NVDA. So is that gonna be manifesting itself? Probably, because it doesn't seem to be as aggressive in this price action as it was a little bit before, but I know I'm going counter and I'm okay with that. So as I say, I have my risk under control, which seems to be the most relevant things right now. And yeah, let's see. We are barely 1-2 red, like flat to 1 trade red. So, and that was the last trade I took, but let's see.
So we've got SPY that's interacting with the opening range, top of the range. And where's NASDAQ? Yeah, same.
Yeah, the same after the gap down. I'm gonna add more a little bit to this trade. As I say, the momentum is just not there right now. Wanna add at the price I wanna add, not any price. So let's see if it yeah, there we go. It made a higher high, then I add a little bit more.
SPY's punching through the top of the range. Not yet for NASDAQ.
Something I want to do is like I have to program a little smaller hotkeys because as I say, I don't like those. I 15 cents in some of those trades are too much. Like in this one, this is one of them. In this one, I just want to risk 10 cents. But now if I try to move the order manually, it's a pain in the butt. So like now, yeah, you see it's not holding there. And what is that preventing me from adding? Because I can get a full size if I will be putting the stop loss right away, but I don't have it. But for Monday, I'm gonna have them for sure.
You're gonna have them there?
Yeah, like right now, what I'm saying at 66.50, I like to add more. But when I add the way I add, because the stop loss has to be there before, like right away. Right now, I will be risking 15 cents if it's go through.
Okay.
It's not gonna be good for me. So, and that's why I kind of take it a little bit slower there. Though the same thing, I don't believe much in the short in this name because somebody is buying this aggressively. So and which is okay. It's just let's see, my guy. You wanna partial in a bit there? It's no big deal, as I say, but. How do they say? Better be partial than sorry.
Is that what they say?
No, they don't say that.
Hey, I love it. Better to partial than to be sorry. So SPY is respecting the opening range.
Breaking
Going
here in the
through.
tree.
Going through with a little bit of attitude there. Nice.
Here
There
comes
we
the
go.
money.
That's
Money,
how you
money,
do it.
Trying to add here to this short.
Okay.
So let's see if I can be as disciplined. But, Tesla 310. Not joking about like
Kidding. What?
yeah.
So yay.
Yeah, well, I'm still red on it because I bought it a little bit above, but
Mm-hmm.
almost flat. Okay, MPDA, come on, you can do it. I'm gonna take a look around, like while this trade develops itself. I don't have to be. Mara never came to the 19, so sorry.
Come on, my grain of sons.
Man,
Come on.
like the
Come
trade
to
I'm missing
me.
who too. Like it's
Come to me, the grain of sons. So what I did is I kept my position and I averaged
in for
Yeah,
the
averaged in to get as close as possible to the 8, and right now, kaboom!
Yeah, in Arcat. Yeah,
Mhm.
nice. Very nice, very nice.
Mm-hmm.
So in BDA, a little bit on the size there, but like I don't feel like rushing this trade. I was not thinking that it was a short, and I am not thinking that it is a short. I am just keeping myself alive over there. So,
Okay.
but for Hood, like that's what I say. Like Hood, I call out that trade for me when it was attractive at the open, and like I hesitate, and like it was just as good as like Nvidia. For you to have an idea, I told you I'm gonna buy shares. I was right here, right there buying like, and I put the order. No, not here. I put the order right there.
And never came back.
It didn't get me in by 1 penny.
Exactly.
So, and I say like, oh, I should be pressing now. It was just a couple cents above, but like, yeah, just that trade alone was going to be.
Kaboom.
But like that's the identification of this is like that part I have it solved. I don't have to work anymore on that one.
Mm-hmm.
And it's what is the potentiality of the trade. You remember that thing? And that's very clear to me because I have been seeing it every day now. So when I am missing a trade, now I know I am missing a trade there. And like Nvidia, you hear me say it. Like you say, Nvidia is gonna go and it's not gonna offer those prices anymore. And I'm talking about 63, 163. Right now it's $3.20 above. So and watch out because my I don't want to believe that this is gonna go to 170 today, but there is a high chance that it will go up to 167, 168.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I am doing what? Shorting it. But it's okay. I'm shorting maybe just to the VWAP, and I have not much risk on that.
So SPY's reacting well to the 62330. A little bit of a pull, but RSI is still very decent on SPY. Okay, SoFi is working.
You have SoFi?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh la la, that's a beautiful trade. Pretty much the same setup. I was not looking at SoFi because but it looks beautiful. La 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay, NVDA. This could be wrong, but I think it's the right thing to do. So I'm gonna have a full size instead of I'm gonna change that to there. Like
Wow. On SoFi, we've got a position there that you say, "Phew, that's big enough to repel," but no, it's okay. Okay, come on, Arcat. You're able to get to that VWAP and cross that VWAP. Let's go. We want to see a little bit of momentum here.
let me take a look at the ARCAT. Hi, puppy. Did you see from where that came? It came from 906. Like he print 906 today,
Yep. That's the top of it.
and right now it's rejecting the VWAP.
Well, not yet.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, Nvidia.
Let's go, Arcat. Come on. Let's have a beach party, my grain of sand.
Ooh, silly potato.
Who's the silly potato?
Myself.
Why did you? It's the first time I hear you say that. That you're a silly potato. With expression, is that an expression in Spanish?
No. I just think.
You just thought of a
I
silly
just-
potato?
Yeah, or I dream about it, or I hear it somewhere else, or I don't know. But like, that's.
Ay, ay, ay. A silly potato. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Do we got the strength to do that? 999. Yeah, you see, they just make you move the order and like, not me, you. So, interesting what is going on right there. heavy
going
up, heavy. There's a heavy bid at 165.80, and it's not getting filled up, but repelling by the penny, and then somebody else is jumping in front by 10 cents, and I'm pretty sure he's getting a smoke. And then we're gonna break through the 80s, and then I think we're gonna have to go to the like now 69, 10 cents below, then 43. Unfortunately, I don't have enough size on that because didn't believe in the loan.
Okay,
But
let's
probably I will be looking to buy the VWAP.
go. Oh, really?
And yeah, let's see. I know I have to flip in this trade at some point, and that point might be that VWAP.
Okay, you keep beating higher. Let's go. 8:30 now. Let's go. Get that 8:30. And we're through the VWAP. Go to the moon. Go to the moon. And I'm taking my partial.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Cha-cha. Let's go. 8:50. Come on, next stop. 8:50. I feel like I'm in an auction. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's go. Another partial at 8:50. Push it through. You're on deck now. You just need to go get it. No.
So I'm all out of this trade. It's okay. As I say, it's the right thing to do.
Good job, man.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Look at that. Look at that thing. I just went out right there.
Where?
Right there, I went out.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hey, look at my trades. Patience, eh? Today, patience.
Very nice.
Very, very nice for the patient piece, eh?
Yeah.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Okay, come on. That cannot be a rejection. Let's go.
What's up? What are you doing?
Hey, good morning,
hello.
Larry. Happy Friday.
So let's see how committed you are. Let's try that.
Oh, no, you're still there. Oh, this will be sweet. This will be sweet. If we get to 8:50, we do have enough to go through the 8:50. Come on, the grain of sand. Oh, that would be so sweet. Oh, yoy. Concerned about that RSI. It's pulling quite heavily. A little pull from the SPY as well. I wanted to add on SoFi on that little pull, but you know what? It's not big enough, and it's going to really affect my price. So I'm going to hold steady for SoFi, at least for the next. Okay, the next partial for SoFi is going to be 22, so let's monitor that. Our cat is still maintaining. Stressful Friday trading.
Yeah.
Well, our cat.
I'm glad I didn't move my order. Oh my goodness. So let's see.
Well, I'm not going to stop listening. The issue is they're having a little bit of construction,
Mm-hmm.
and you hear a lot of background noise where they keep apologizing. Okay, our
Come on, Nvidia, to the moon. I want to see you at 67, 68, my guy. Like, I have a super weird feeling about something that is happening lately, and it's like I experienced it yesterday at 62,
Okay.
today at 65.80. Before yesterday on Nvidia, the last day we trade you remember when I missed AMD at 138,
Yes.
That
Yes,
day?
yes.
and like it's when you know, like when you are so right, like I'm not saying I know anything. I'm just saying like
Yep. But when
it's
you're right about
so,
a trade.
so right, the information that is going through, that you have, like for example, I came out at the 80 here. I didn't have a choice. I don't have to explain how to myself that it will keep going below 165.80 because they were buying a lot of shares there and they were having a very nice effect. So, like, yes, I missed the trade because I went long at 166, no, at 165.80.
Okay.
But it's a on questionable price action that it's like you act by reflex and no because
Look
of
at
whatever
those,
you-
eh? Look at that. Wow. Partials on the top and Adams on the bottom. Look at you.
Let's see.
Hey, come on, our cat. Let's go. Because if you don't go through there, guess who's going to say bye-bye? But look at SoFi.
Yeah, very good trade.
I sadly went FOMO on both because I had the volume. So for me, RCAT, for me to go in at the VWAP when I did have that 8 and my orders was at that 8, I regret that FOMO so badly.
But because
Because
you went in at until there you at
Yeah.
So instead of just getting a big chunk in here, that's what you're saying?
yeah, so right now I went in at 860, right? So at 860, I went in, but my initial order was at 8. So it pulled through at 780, which was another big order. But then, thank God I did that, so I was able to change my price from 860 to 818. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I bettered my price by a lot. But right there, though, because this here is so close to the
Opening.
opening, I'm feeling a little bit of heat there. But if I would have done, look at SoFi. Okay, are you close to the 22? Yes, you are. Yes,
Breaking even on this
you
trade.
are. Eh?
I will be breaking even in this trade. There is a big seller at 166.40, and I want
Okay.
him to get rollover, and he's getting rollover right now. But he's big, so and then
Roll over, beat over.
yeah, like if you erase this,
Mm-hmm.
beautiful.
Beautiful trade. Exactly. Just total FOMO. So I'm just going to read a little bit of the tape here for ARCAT because ARCAT is having a little bit of difficulty. Though we do have some very nice orders and 850 is there. Boom. I just see it seems to have a little bit of difficulty there. I like that it's consolidating above the opening.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact that it cannot re-challenge again the VWAP, it's definitely not like a rejection yet, but it did not go through, though the orders are there.
Perfect.
So we'll see. Okay, SoFi. Okay, so SoFi still has 20 cents to go. So let me see, as I'm going to be watching ARCAT a little closer. And SoFi, so if I add the 20 cents on that. Okay, so when you're going to
I'll be back,
close to-
everybody. Just give me a little break. Very cool. Very cool. 1 second, please.
So did the tape change?
Right, we are
here?
back here. We are printing quite well, as you can see. I'm gonna try to take some partials around there. It's the right thing to do. There's a lot of buying right now going on. So I would like to not kill the trade too early, but I don't necessarily think it's too early. Like this thing have moved a lot. Basically, we are $4.5 above the opening. So
Okay, our cat. 850's on deck. How patient am I? Let's go. Oh, no. You're not going to get him for 1 cent? No. You're still there. I see you.
Here comes the money.
I see you.
how do you say the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round? What the rock? It's cooking. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay, let's go.
Tesla still stalling around there. Like I mean,
Okay, so far. Come on, man. Come on, our cat. You did not get it. It went up to 849. The 850 did not get filled. Let's go. Come on. That was a smoky move, Miss SoFi. But I still believe in the 22. But is it so big that it's going to repel? Because SoFi is not making higher highs here. So that is weird. Okay, Arcad, let's go. You have enough momentum this time? Okay. 850's on deck again. Okay, 850, let's go. Hands on the wheel. Okay, so now it should be enough. We've got a position at 47 to drive it high. 847. So let's go. So we should have SPY that should be close to hitting the PCL if I'm looking at the tape.
Yeah, Spy is crossing the PCL. Oh no, oh la la, the PCL is so far.
Yeah, it's still far. But we've got some good amount that are close to the PCL. Come on. 43 went through. We've got 45 coming up. Incredible. Now you're going to tell me you're going to consolidate around that? No. It's not enough there. Do you have an HVAC area still? Oh,
The
yeah,
same
look
tray,
at
yeah.
that. Oh, that's a good one. Woohoo.
Yeah.
Ah, you're doing a good day.
Yeah, I almost erased the whole week.
Good job, good job. It's a good Friday.
Oh, let's see. What's up, lady? Go. All right, we're back.
She's so cute. find that weird the way SoFi is behaving here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, that's so fine. I'm trying to add to NVDA.
There's no way that that position at 450 is too big that it's going to.
At 450?
I mean $8.50 for our cap. There's no way.
No, yeah, it is not.
It's not. It's
Especially
not big enough.
it has an R ball today of 7 times its normal volume.
Right?
So it should go through. But it probably gonna go first to 809 because there is a 400 load at 809.
Yeah, I saw that. I don't know if it's got enough to pull back there. Because I see it too, right? The 400 lot, but it
Mhm.
doesn't seem to have enough. We'll see. I'm really hoping that it's going to respect the 50.
Like when you mentioned the trade, what I didn't like about the trade
Which one?
of your trade on ARCAT
Mm-hmm.
is how it is hammering the 1 minute 200 moving average. Like
Mhm.
like
Agreed.
normally that's
Is it the 200 or the 50?
is let's look at it. In here the 200 is the yeah, like this one here. That's pre-market, you see. It's very yucky pre-market action with the 200. Then it hold it good.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why probably that 8.09 is a good entry now, the 400 lot that you have there. But
It's
what
your,
was the
for
order?
you, it's your 200. For me, it's my 50.
Yeah, but the 200 though, the yellow one you see.
Yeah. It hasn't been hammering it. It's been hammering the 50.
Zoom out. You need to zoom out to be able to see the pre-market there. I'm gonna find a good spot, like a good sample of what I'm trying to say here, to compare to SoFi.
Oh yeah, SoFi was so clean.
Is Nvidia one of those? Let's see. What about food? Yeah, like many of them were doing the same thing. Like Nvidia was the one that was looking the best in that matter,
Okay.
but it was still not as clean. So what I'm saying is just during the pre-market, like you see how in the pre-market here, like let's say this PLTR, you see how we put that pocket here, like
Mm-hmm.
that hole here. It doesn't matter if it's above or below, but like that, of course, that's because of the gap. But when you go to ARCAT, you have no big pockets like more than this one, but like then it's like going above, going below, going above, going below, going like, and then hammer, 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 hammer.
Mm-hmm.
And after 8, yes, it starts separating, but this is gonna let you know a lot about how rangy it's gonna be or not,
Okay.
unless something changed after the fact. You know.
My ears are dead.
Discharge.
Mm-hmm.
Mara never print the 1980s, and I doubt it's gonna print it because it have been cleanish, if I'm not mistaken. No, it had. Oof, no, I didn't say anything. Forget about cleanish. It's just crappy.
Yeah. See, you were right. It did go through to the order. Oh, and I didn't take it right there from what? Oh, 1 cent.
Yeah, but like now, and forgive me if I am being too opinionated, but like what I'm saying is like now is that you should be looking to go long in the name.
Mm-hmm.
When you remember when he claimed when he claimed 80809, not before.
And it did.
No, like it's when the price go above, you haven't went there above.
Mm-hmm.
Like you wanna see it decisively above it,
Yeah, above the opening.
not the opening, the A09.
Well,
It's because of the order that was there.
uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. Hey, Nvidia didn't offer me the entry, but hey, you make money anyways one way or the other there, so that's good. And there we go, higher highs. Nvidia, no joke about. We're gonna go to 68, and I didn't add, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Holy smoke, Dumbo.
Yeah, he's gonna take a shower this weekend. This is gonna be a very busy weekend, but
Yeah, no kidding, eh?
I'm gonna give some priority to him because I feel bad for him.
You think he smells himself?
It's not just because he smells like it's because we also touch him way less when he's like that.
Oh, yeah.
So like he feels so lonely. Lonely, I feel so lonely. My thoughts about it. You know that song?
I think it's lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
Yeah.
I have nobody.
Yeah. Yeah, is that one?
Okay.
I always change the lyrics, and that's okay. I do myself, you do themselves.
I do myself, you do you.
No, you see, you have to pay more attention because I didn't say that. I say, I do myself, and you do them.
Oh!
Self.
That's funny.
Oops.
Oops.
Yeah, I went off. For a second. For a second, it went off. Again, yeah.
Sorry, do they feel tired after being with the girls?
I bet, yeah, they are definitely feeling it, but they are enjoying it too. So like it's like, as you always say, like, and myself too. Like when we didn't have any kids, like in VR, like I like to go back from work and play with Vladdy's nephew because it was like re-energizing, and like you say the same thing and they are saying the same thing. So yeah, kids
Yeah,
give
it's
you
like
life.
growing young.
But yeah, they are intense. and-
Growing young, at the end of the day, you feel old, but during the day, you feel young.
And at 9 they don't want to sleep, so it's like oof.
Really?
Yeah, like Ella yesterday was hard to put her to sleep at 9, so it was like, okay, you have to go. and they wake up and they say, "Let's start our adventure today."
I love it.
In there, you should be able to load the boat with little, like, but very tight stop loss. Like, I
Okay.
mean, like in the price of that, maybe 10 cents is like a lot. Like when you come back, it's testing. Is there still buyers there? But you have the 200 holding you right there. So there is a Spanish version of that song.
No.
Yeah, whoever made it was from Puerto Rico. Whoever translated. And of course they have the rights for, like, they bought the rights for.
Okay, to translate.
Yeah, because they partnered when they did the translation. Like, it went so commercial that for sure he will get sued if. But yeah,
Yeah.
they do. Yeah, you know how they work.
Is it called the same? Mr. Lonely?
Yeah. And who made it is called Arcangel. Like, his artist name is Arcangel.
Archangel.
La Maravilla. I'm gonna put you some song after of that guy. They like. I don't like his personality, but his music is good. Like, I mean, well, good. I know. I'm talking about reggaeton. I'm not saying his music is good, but yeah,
Oh, okay,
It's,
so he does a reggaeton.
yeah.
Oh, I think I have heard a couple of songs from him.
Yeah, you may hear one that is with him that say Sol, playa y en la arena vamos allá.
Mm-hmm.
Ya hace calor.
See?
Calor. It's Joel and Randy with him.
It's what?
The actual singer of that song, the one is two guys and they are called Joel and Randy,
Okay.
and the other guy is like the remix. So,
Okay.
Nvidia pulling back, interesting now, very interesting now. I think I might be coming back to bid.
Something's happening.
Oh yeah. I like the way Nvidia is pulling back. I will call it just natural pullback for
Okay.
Nvidia specifically. I don't know about the overall market because I am not listening to anything. But yeah, 167 to me is attractive. Below the 50 moving average, which is not that big of a deal, but when we go to the 5 minute, that guy is way behind. So it's a bit risky to be buying the 67. But I think it might be it worth it. I mean, why not? I say that because it will be a free trade anyways. So like I am buying the 67, I am breaking even anyways. Le gusta el reggaetón, pero con mi pum pum. And I'm not even buying the 67, I'm buying the 6680. If you want, you get me. If you don't want, you don't get me, and I'm okay with that. Let's be trade efficient. When I worst in my price, under my conditions.
So there. So SPY's pulling back to that 62327. Wicked it and seems to be pushing through. We will see.
as I say, we are coming down fast and furious here. Like, I mean, I am betting 166.82 and don't think that I feel too right about it because there is heavy size and you can see that like we are just this name is really going down right now. So even if it doesn't work, I consider that price to be a fair shot. So yeah, let's see. And as I say, I don't have a market maker that is my friend. So but I would like to ask him whenever I see him why there are people bidding heavy at 80 and on 20, which I don't get it. Like, I mean, I know, yeah, I get the 00 and the 50 because they are psychological, but what about the 80s and the 20s? Somebody's always, like, well, always. Many times
Front running.
there is somebody at 20 and there is somebody at 80. So,
I agree.
and right now I say, hey, you know what, I want to go with the 80s. But he holds the 67 quite well. So, but I'm expecting that to not work, and that's why I'm saying I prefer to get all the way back down to the 80s. And then my average price is gonna be 66.40, which is still very good. Y si te gusta el reggaetón,
Right.
pero con mi pum pum te desvela.
62327. Spy
Ay, ay.
respected it by the penny.
Desde el pantalón, baila morena, baila morena.
That's Queen. That plays it.
Ivy Queen.
Ivy Queen.
Well, in the one singing, no, but
Are you sure?
yeah, I'm sure. But probably because they are all friends and they are all sharing parts, so probably the original Baila Morena is from Ivy Queen, but they only say they mention that little section like they did in that song in the other song, so that's why I say I kind of don't know, but could be. Let's see who wrote that one.
Like you
Oh,
said.
it's your guy. Like the one you like is Don Omar.
See?
Is the owner of Baila Morena.
Yeah, and then Daddy Yankee did the mix and
So guys, look at this. Just a little call here. I am bidding here with this participant here. So I'm bidding here the 188. So I'm bidding at 182 because if it's gonna work, I'm expecting it to work right away. Then my average price is gonna be this guy here, this line here. So I gonna be breaking even just because it doesn't work to take a loss. That means that if it goes to 166.50 here, it will have to bounce right away for me to not be step out. So if you see, it print 83 here and it didn't get me in by 1 penny. That's the type of behavior I'm expecting. But I wanted to see it printing 80 because then we know, like, look, now they are front running at 85. That just show up right there. And look at all the buying going in front compared to, hey, there is not much selling right now, probably because sellers have to step into but for it to move. So probably it won't move before printing the 80. You know, the market is so random. Yeah, your mom. 1 minute. All right, we are back. I just get that fill out that I want to get, and now we just need to watch this trade. I am breaking even in this trade. I don't want to risk anything on it. And yeah, if it's going to hold, let's see. Right now, that tape is a little bit crowded, I would say, but now we have a full-size position, and it's free. I mean, free. It's nothing is free. Like, I mean, I technically left a lot of profit on the hop here, but like, I'm expecting Nvidia to go back to the highs. So is this the moment where it's gonna go there? I don't necessarily believe so, but let's see. Yeah, like now we can see that the bid at the 50 is just as big. So could I get the 50? Probably yes. But let's see. The 80 was good enough in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
If it doesn't work, it just doesn't work.
You got me out.
Got you out.
Mm-hmm. So now I'm just looking.
Never really hold it. He hold the thing, but for a little bit.
Mm-hmm. And it went through.
But if that type of bid compared to what you have at 850 didn't hold,
Right?
probably something else is more attractive. Because that bid compared to what it has at 850 should be holding.
Mm-hmm. So when's your targets? Where's your targets on the?
Right now it's only 68. If he goes to 68, then serve.
Okay.
And but that's expecting a lot. I know that right now because of the way that they bid. Like the buyers are not aggressive right now, and I'm concerned that it could go all the way down to 166 before actually printing anything, and by that time I will be out.
Okay.
Because I am stop loss is 166.42, which is my average price. And
You're very good at speaking 3 languages.
yeah, it's
Good job, parents.
good job, Auntie. You are teaching them a lot too. They speak English to you, French to you, English to Joe.
Incredible.
So
And they flip like nothing.
yeah, yeah, it's nice.
It is.
So I moved my stop loss a couple cents above, just because, in my opinion, it doesn't work to take a loss on this. It was a very good trade, and now it's it never will become a bad trade, in my opinion, but because I am not taking a loss. But it's really going down right now, and little by little, I am just When I put a line, I cannot see very good where I am putting my stop loss. Yeah, my stop loss is at 166.47. Why? Because I wanted to print 58, 50 without going down a penny. Things that is unlikely now, as I say, because the tape really got populated over the 166. So let's see.
Are you watching water boil?
Kind of, yeah, for sure. And
Yeah.
I have to remember I'm in blocking territory. That's why I put my stop loss a little bit above my entry.
Okay, okay.
Like any red trade will block the account. So even if it's a minor loss in this one, so yeah, 15 not holding again. That behavior. I have to write it down and I have to put a tag on it because I don't know how to call that, and but I also don't know why it happened.
What?
Like look at that bid. Like the bid get very aggressive and you just go through. Like you see, I got out, and yeah, the bid just get very aggressive for some reason, and it pierces like if there is nothing. So it's a very interesting thing, but I don't know why it happened.
Nothing's on the tape?
No, like it's the opposite. Like a lot of things show up at the tape,
Mm-hmm.
and they get crushed.
Are you catching something?
Probably.
Are people sick at work?
No, nobody's sick at work. Nobody surrounding me is sick right now. No, that I don't. That I know. So. I probably will attach it to quality of sleep. Not being the best.
Quality and quantity?
Yeah.
Well, SPY reacted like that was a clean reaction to the opening price. That was nice. I went through it.
Yeah. Spy as well.
No,
No what?
no, SPY is still trading above it.
I thought you were saying about the opening range. Like it's inside the opening range now.
SPY?
Yeah, but what happening is that you're looking at the opening price.
Yeah, put opening price.
The opening range is the shadow here,
Uh-huh.
so it's below.
Okay, it went through.
I have an order to go long on Vita, and I ain't gonna be patient there, so
So you still have a trade, no?
no. Well, I can take one more trade. Yeah,
Okay.
I have an order to get some, and let's see if he was working or not. But yeah.
Always around the same time, eh?
Yeah.
Brr.
Brr.
What's for lunch, DV?
To be honest, today I don't know. It went without me.
Dude, your ad?
My entry was at 66, and it went from 6609.
Oh,
Now I'm offering, I'm bidding the 50,
okay.
but with a small size. So just to see, like, I mean, if it's gonna work or not. So
Well, so fine. We are dancing again. Never got out of that trade once. Oy.
I tried to get some arcade.
Yeah, went back in. Better price, of course, but.
I got it.
Oh, good job. Okay. Okay, Teresa. Because you're trading Arca?
Kind of. And how easy it have been is like now this is it's not doing much, but I say I kind of didn't like that price, but right now it's looking a little bit distant. So let's see if it for real gonna be distant. So, and I had to move my stop loss manually because I don't have that type of stop loss.
Mm.
Then I cancel Nvidia.
Do they have a big property where they live? No, they're in a condo, right?
Yeah, but it's a big condo.
Yeah, it's a big condo, but I mean, they don't have a big grass outside to cut.
No, they have nothing to cut. Rita have like a bunch of plants, but it's in the balcony.
Yeah, balcony, patio. But they have nothing outside.
No. I think probably this is the first time the Blas cut grass.
And you trust them?
Yeah, I explained to him. Well, but Blas is very careful. I trust my dad. And my dad is good at doing those things for sure. But he run over the Bladis, the lilies. No, the lilies. The one that we have that are yellow, orange, and red.
See? Lilies?
Is the lilies? Okay, yeah.
See.
And he chopped them out with the lawnmower machine.
Oh!
So in ARCAD, I'm breaking even now. I am just following my process with the, like if it will be another other stock that I normally trade. So I got 108 as a price, and I am breaking even because I think that this need to hold above.
808?
808, sorry, yeah. I think this need to hold above, ARCAD. I don't even know how to type that thing. You have to hold above 809. And we are printing good. So surprising.
Look at you.
Very cheap name, and that's one of my concerns. Like, this thing can get wagged from the VWAP as it is right now, getting wagged down there. And it was printing good, but no, it found the VWAP, it got me out, and I'm out of it. That's okay. So I say, let's load it on NVIDIA. Let's see if NVIDIA wants to play or not. And probably it doesn't want to, but let's see.
So you broke even in Arcad.
In Arcad, yeah. But that was a very good trade, just right there. Like, I mean, I could profit right there, but like, I hesitate, and hey, it didn't work. And it's okay. It's not in my playbook to trade those names. I know they trade like crap, but you know, the rest is not my fault. So you saw that it was up, right? Like,
It trade like crap. It trade like crap, and it's not my fault.
it's not my fault. Yeah, like, what do you want me to do? It's like,
It trade like crap, and it's not my fault.
but I'm gonna have a hotkey for me to trade those names. Like just a smaller stop loss. It's just you go in with way more shares on those prices, and look, now it's 806, and it's like if that name will be good, and I say to you, like, I don't believe it will hold because it went kaboom to the downside from the 809. But the reason why I got back in, and like I can do it because NVIDIA is in the other thing. So let's say Arcad. Well, NVIDIA tried to do whatever it's doing. That may not work either. I don't know. So, but what I'm saying here, like I say, when this name claimed the 809, it should hold. It claimed it back here. It fooled Marie the same way that fooled me there. So it went up and then it went all the way down. And when it came all the way down, I sensed this as a strength. So I say, that's looking good. If he claimed the 809, I'm gonna give it a shot at 808. I did it, but you see what it did. It just went like not good. So like, I mean, and I don't want to mess up my day with that. So if NVIDIA wants to do
Brr.
good, NVIDIA gonna do good. If it doesn't want to do good, it's gonna block my account, and I'm gonna be green for the day. Red-ish for the week, but no big deal. Like, I mean, though I should be all the way out at the price I say in the top, but yeah, because it was double of the profit I have right now. So there are two events that I have to write down. One is when the bid accelerate, like when everything, the tape accelerate, the bid get that heavy and it goes through like nothing. That's one event.
Okay.
The other event I have to write down. I don't have a notebook today, so but I will remember for sure. What was that? What was it? Oh yeah, NVIDIA yesterday had a huge player at 162.50,
I remember.
and he, like, with whoever sold up on top of that guy, or on top of that participant, just rolled over. Like, it went like it wagged it down. Like, I mean, there is no way to not take a loss in the way that bid went through. And when that happened, like, yes, he claimed it back, and that was the play after. But when he get wagged like that, those market makers, do they just step out with a loss? They are holding their loss, or they don't care, or what is the game then there? Like, because it's supposed to hold by depending the order, but the selling that was going on was heavy enough that it really smashed it. So, and that was the question. Like now, for example, you see like 50 is trying to hold, unable to hold. Like I should be probably out of that trade, but let's let it play. And
Okay.
It's,
Well, did you want to wrap it up?
yeah, probably we wrap it up. I want to look at Arcad. Arcad claiming the 18, so the trade might be valid yet. It's just
Yeah, it didn't go through 8, which I'm really. It's respecting, like you were talking about, the 200 right now.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get out of the trade because I had a really good price of 7.95.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah, but and now it seems to be manifesting, but we'll see.
Yeah, like my target in there will be 850.
Yeah, me too. That's my target. SoFi as well did not get me out. It's manifesting. I did take 2 partials because last time I did not, and I felt like a little bit of a idiot there because I could have on SoFi taken a partial when it went back up to 850, but instead I was waiting for the 9, and yeah, I could have taken partial there and then added to the trade on the way back down, but no.
It's a matter of memorizing those things, and at some point, hey, probably I don't want to do that.
So because at 21.85 when it went there, I did not take partial, and I should have taken partial there. So now I took partial at 21.62 because 21.60 had a big one. But wow, is the tape full now?
I'm out of Nvidia, and now I'm blocked. That's okay. As I say, like, it's a trade. Look at Arcad. So cool. So let's wrap it up, as Perry just said there, and yeah, basically a good trading day. I didn't keep enough profit, and that was because of hard-headed. Like, but of course, like,
Hear you.
it's okay because I am trying to refine the new knowledge that we are having and blah blah blah, all those things. So whatever. So probably Nvidia, the best trade that he has on it is at 166. So instead of a 166, 66.50 is good too. I mean, like he have been holding. It's just like that shot here. That's technically correct, my guy. Like there is nothing wrong with me trading at 166.50. So the previous trade was a free trade. So hey, I'm not blaming myself for that. Let's just follow the process and see what we can do. So as I say, green day, okay, green day. I was able, like at some point the PNL was enough to put the green week, but I have the green, like the week is still red. And that's because I have 3 other days that I was red. And yeah, that's as I say, it's okay. It's just we have to keep exercising those things. So yeah, like basically I trade only Nvidia and Arcad. Like the Arcad, everybody saw how I got stop out at break even here, and like now look at Marie was able to hold that thing, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna have a hotkey that is smaller just to be able to trade those things because they are as good. It's just like they trade a little bit more erratic. Like they will fake out more move than the ones that have a better share structure. So, but yeah, so basically in Arcad, it's literally 0-0, like I am flat. Like when you get flat like that at break even.
Sorry.
Oh, good.
I've been waiting a while.
Here comes the
It is
money.
letting you know how much the bid is in favor of the trade. If it will be against you, you will pay the slippage. But like I didn't pay any slippage in there, so all good. So yeah. What I was going to say then, Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia was the other trade. That was got a couple smoke here and there on Nvidia. Something I did today that might be the good thing to do, but I'm not sure yet. We're gonna keep an eye on it. And that thing that I did today is that let's see if I keep it this like that. Yeah, something I did today is that here I went with little sizes. So this is a short that didn't work. I have little size there. And like then I went long here, a little size. Then I got out at break even, or no, then I got out with a loss. Then I got long again here. I partial here, add to the short again, got out. But that partial put me flat. So
Okay.
that was good. I was a little bit red, that was flat. Then I went short here, a small size again. Very small size, like a quarter of a position. And got out with a very small loss, like it's a quarter of a position with the same tight stop loss. And that didn't work. Then I shorted here, again, little size, then I add. And here I have half a trade. So I partial out here and I came all out right here. That was very good. And when I did that, then I went long here, a little bit chasey here. And I'm okay with that. Because it was obvious that the 165.80 was buying a lot. So when I did that, I just went long. I partial out here. Then I add to the short, to the long here. That was a very good trade. That was a 9R trade.
Oh.
Like, I mean, not 9 even. Like, yeah, 9R trade. Like, just the partial was 9R. It was 18, almost 20. And that's why I say,
Wow.
why didn't I didn't keep 20R? Because I thought it was going to go higher, and it will go higher. It's just like I have this thing
It's
that
always
is
the time
blocking
frame,
me now.
right? Yeah.
That at some point it won't block me anymore, but I have to think to it because it keep me green eventually. So, but and later we elaborate what we want to do with that. So, and this was my last trade here. Basically, I know you see now it's going. That's what I say. I just have to fix that little problem where I am getting a stop out right before.
Right there.
Yeah. So, but that take time to adjust, and it will take a couple weeks to adjust. Probably, I will try to do it before that because I'm gonna be adding a couple hotkeys that are gonna be smaller and things like that. Look at 67. That's what I'm saying. Like you see 67 there, like 167. Look how heavy the tape get there. But look, we are trading above of average volume, like way above. Like I mean, so that 67, the tape is gonna accelerate. The 67 is gonna show, and it's gonna get obliterated, or I don't know how you call it. Like I mean, fill up. It's gonna go through.
Oblivion.
Yeah, because it could be a couple of shorts in there too. Like there are sellers, but there are shorts at 67 as well. So, but this is not telling you nothing in this stock is telling you that this is a short, right there. So and like that's why I say like I mean I got stop out here, but if this trade will go like let's say this didn't get me out here and it go all the way back just to the high of the day, my profit will be about 3 times what it is right now. So and that's it. So that's the game. I'm happy with the research. I'm happy with the things we are doing, and yeah, big profit will come later when we have the process complete. And I do feel we are moving forward. It's just
Yep.
we have to be patient.
Well said,
If
me
there
too.
is no patience, there is no gain.
Oh my God! Today I was really patient to hold and to,
Yeah, it's,
oof.
and like as I tell Marie many times that nothing that because like they say Marie is more mature than me in many things. Let's say mature when I said let's say
Gray hair.
driving, like you can give a car to I always say to a teenager and you give a car to a mature man. They may have fun, both of them, but one of them is gonna be more careful than the other.
Absolutely.
And both of them have the same possibilities. but it's just they're gonna use their game like differently because of previous experience. Like my brother and I flip a car when we were 17, and like, why did you do that? Oh, who wants to go 170 in a one-lane road that looks like a rally track? So yeah, whatever.
Right?
So, yeah, what about you? What did you do? Sorry for the extended talking there. It's just letting you know, like, you see, we have a lot of red days, but that's part of the process. If you try to learn trading, trust me, you're gonna go through them, and there is nothing wrong with that as long as you're learning something.
Absolutely.
So,
Well said, Davey. Well said. Well, for me, SoFi was great. I chased a move because I had the level, and my level was 2008, 2080. But what I did is I went to BBAI and class, CLSK. So CLSK, I could have stayed in the move, but it was going crazy, and I'm glad I got out. So I was going long, and then it pulled back. I said no, okay. So I let it go, pull back way too low at the 1304. So that was a big loss. And BBAI was the same. Where's BBAI? Come on, BBAI. Okay, so BBAI, I say, hey, 7, that's really a good price for BBAI. So 706, and I got out at one shot. When I looked at the tape was flipping like crazy to the downside. Just, well, you know what? I'm out. So I walked away from there. I went to ARCAT. So what's wrong with ARCAT? What I did is that I chased a move. I had it very clearly identified for $8 to go in at $8, and my second line was at 782. But do you think I waited for that? Well, no, because when I went to ARCAT, I said, oh my God, it's leaving without me. So I started to add, I went in at the anchor VWAP at 861. Then I added at 53, I added at 47, and I just keep adding right down to the 782. So at that point, then it started to work for me. I took 2 profit at the VWAP in case, because my man here said, hey, it could be rejecting the VWAP. So I took a double partial there at the VWAP. I added on the pullback. I let it go. I just let it develop. And then I'm still in the trade right now for ARCAT. It's at 802. I was able to, with all that, finally get my freaking 802.
you have what price in ARCAT?
802.
Okay. You remember I told you about
850 is the one that all done.
the actual profit kept on the stock?
Mm-hmm.
That price should be. And like, listen to me with a big grain of salt.
Okay.
That price shouldn't be offered more today.
Right. Just today.
So just today.
Just today.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at what it's going to do at the VWAP, but definitely ARCAT and SoFi were a lot cleaner for me, or clearer for me. The issue that I have is when it was popping up, because I was so sure it was going to go through, I was not on the first shot at 10:30 taking my profits there. Same with SoFi. So I left money on the table. But right now they're working well. I am going to be taking more partials. So I already taken 2 for ARCAT when it reached close to the 840. So now it's at the VWAP. So if it goes through the VWAP, I might just go out. But when we're looking at the tape right now, it's really, really nice. And it's got the possibility of going to 875. So we'll see. You still have to have lunch. So I know we need to leave. So.
Oh, there is no any rush, really. Like, yeah.
Well, you're coming to fix the little.
Yeah, that's fast. So, so I hope everybody have a good day
Have
and
a
good
wonderful
weekend.
weekend.
Yeah, in general, we keep it going, and we're gonna be here for sure Monday, and yeah.
Find some good opportunities.
Yeah, keep the learning going.
ARCAT's been forever, right? So.
Yeah, like I had a long time with us in this name.
Yeah.
So bye.
Bye.